Hello sir, my name is Abhijeet Satwadhar. I come from Parbhani district of Maharashtra. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from Computer Science in 2023 with 8.44 CGPA. I have also completed my Diploma in Computer Engineering with 76%. After completing my degree, I joined Qspiders to learn more about software technologies, in which I have totally learned about Java, SQL, and manual testing and other subjects like web technologies. Especially, I was interested in software testing and quality assurance scenario. So that's why I joined the manual testing batch of Kedar sirs. I would specially thank him for solving all my doubts, and he was very attentive towards my doubt, and he never hesitated, and I never hesitated to ask him any doubts. So that's why my all the points were very clear in his batch only. After that, I would also like to thank Tejas sir. I have joined Java batch of Tejas sir, and he was a super trainer for me, because not only he's best in what he does, but he also given me lots of motivation and all the guidance needed in my life also, apart from syllabus. So I would also like to thank all the HR department and non-teaching staff of Qspiders taken, because they have given me all the opportunities I needed to present myself in an interview. Thank you so much.